it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It is my yearly Sephora Lipstories video. Every year Sephora has released, at least for the past 4 years that I've been buying them, a collection of their Lipstories lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch, compare, review. Let's get into it. So this is what you get for $18. They say you get one lipstick free, and considering the regular Lipstories are $9 each, I would say $18. That is accurate. In the past, they have had 6, 6, and 4, and this year's collection is only 3 lipsticks, so that's like kind of a big jump down, I think, in amount of products that you get, but it is also, you know, you're still getting 3 lipsticks for the price of 2, so I think that's good. I'm going to pull these out and do arm swatch and comparisons to similar shades from past years, so be right back. This is the first light shade. This is shade 103, named Deck the Halls, and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Sephora describes it as a rose gold shimmer, and the only one in the past 4 years that I found that was comparable was number 81 Confetti from 2 years ago, and that is Confetti right there, and the top one is number 103 from this year. So I don't think it's a dupe. I don't think they're doing a repeat shade with them, and I do think it's really pretty if you like metallic lips. The second shade out of the 3 is 104. I forgot to say that they have the finishes written them on as well. So this one does say metal, this one does say matte, and this shade is Light My Fire. Has a pretty fire design. I'm bad. This one has this cute little ornament design, but it's a very beautiful matte red color, and every single year has had a red lip in it, so I compared them all. They're all different. This one is the 104 Light My Fire, and I think the one it's most similar to is the one from 2 years ago, which is Poinsettia number 84. This one, 100, is definitely deeper, as well as, and that's called Wishlist, and number 23 Cabin Fever is also a lot deeper. So if you already have Poinsettia, it might be kind of similar, but they are still different. I don't know if you can tell. I can tell. I love reds, and to me, like, I can see all the different tones, but if you think all reds look the same, maybe getting a set with a red wouldn't be worth it to you. The final shade is 'Tis the Season. It's this really cute purple, number 105. It is a cream, and I forgot to say what they described the red as. Deck the Hall, or Light My Fire, is a cherry red, and this one, 'Tis the Season, is called a red berry, but I call it a purple color. It's definitely got that creamy sheen to it, and every year has also had a purple color. So I have all the purple colors swatched right here. This is the newest one, number 105, and I mean, they're all different, but like, how many purples and reds do you need? But the second one down is 102 Up All Night from last year. The third one down is 85 Cozy from 2 years ago. And the fourth one down is Sweater Weather from 4 years ago. Or wait, 3 years ago. I can't count. This year, last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Yes. Okay, so I think they're all unique shades of purple, but it's like you're getting just a purple and a red just like you have every year, and then one pretty unique pinky tone. So I'm not super impressed, but we will swatch them on my lips and see if I feel like this is actually unique and worth investing in if you already have other holiday lip story sets. So I've got you nice and zoomed in, and I do want to give you a disclaimer like I do every year. I had my wisdom teeth removed in 2018, and ever since then I have had permanent nerve damage to this whole area. I can't really feel it, so it does make it slightly more difficult to make the best lipstick application. So I just give that disclaimer. Please don't judge my lipstick application. I can't feel this area. So we are starting with number 103, the Metal Deck the Halls. Okay, I am not a big pink fan, but I really like this one. I love the metal formula from Sephora. The Lipstories metals are so beautiful because they're not like icky metallic, they're like wet looking metallic, like glossy metallic. So I love it, and went on so smooth, so easy to control, so opaque, and so comfortable. I love this color. Alright, next is number 104, Light My Fire, baby. And this is a matte finish. You can see just on the texture. Will it focus? Come on, please focus. Camera, you're so nice, but you don't look like you're focusing. Okay, so do you see the matte texture? Like, you can tell just by looking at it the difference. And let's see if this is easy to apply even without a lip liner. Okay, maybe that application got a little bit out of control, but it was so creamy and just gliding around. I feel like a clown. But it's a beautiful red. It's very beautiful, beautiful formula. I don't hate it. I just hate that I have like so many over all the years, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. By the way, if you guys are interested in what is on my face, this is like 50% of a Halloween look that I'm doing for TikTok and Instagram. And if you want, I'll link the products down below of how I got here. But if you want to see a really sick transformation from this to a Halloween look, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. So next we are doing the cream one, and this is 105 'Tis the Season, and you can see it's like a shiny finish, so you can already tell like it is a cream, and it's purple. I don't care if they say it's a red berry, it's purple. Okay, so this is number 105 'Tis the Season. I really love the Lipstories lipstick formulas. I'm not complaining about that at all. Like, these formulas are beautiful. They're some of my favorite lipsticks of all time. I have a ton of them. I'm obsessed with them. And I think all of these colors are beautiful. So let's zoom out and get to my final thoughts on whether or not the overall set is worth it. Okay, so like I said, this is my fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have them separated, so there's 3 little sections in this one. 4th Sephora Lipstories set in a row. And I do think the value is there. $18 for 3 lipsticks. You are basically getting one for free. It is a great deal. The quality is great. The colors are beautiful. But based on having a red and a purple, when you have gotten a red and a purple every other year prior, and it's only 3 colors, so you're not getting a lot of uniqueness, just this one right here. I would say if you've previously been buying these sets, skip it. Save your money, get a lipstick that is unique to your collection, because even though these are like different in tone, like how many reds and purples do you need? Sephora, come on. Really, how many reds and purples do we need? So if you already have a bunch of the sets like I do, I would say this is a pass. But if you're looking to try the Lipstories formula and get into it, this is a really great value, and these are the same great quality that Sephora Lipstories usually are. And if you like the colors, it is very much worth it. It is a great value. 3 lipsticks for the price of 2. I think it's a great set. if you don't already have all the purples and reds from the years before. What are your thoughts on this set? I'd love to hear them. Also, what was your favorite color that I swatched today? Again, let me remind you, the colors are Deck the Halls, this pink one, Light My Fire, the red one, and 'Tis the Season, the berry one. It's purple. This is purple. Personally, my favorite shade, I think, is the Deck the Halls because it's unique compared to the other two, but they are all beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!